I'm Josh.
I'm Nora.
I'm Owen.
And we are the Wilderland. We live in one of the most beautiful parts of the country, and we're on a mission to see it for ourselves and show you how awesome it is. A rare winter storm came through our area, so we decided to see some waterfalls in a new light that they can't normally be seen. So the older kids and I decided to get in the car, drive down some forest roads just to see what we could find. Unfortunately, road closures limited our adventure a little bit, but we still had a great time. Thankfully, the next week, our church was having a polar plunge as a fundraiser, and that allowed us to embark on something new as well. So here's our adventure of Sorrels Branch and Cupid Falls in a polar plunge. If you enjoy our content, please consider liking and subscribing to the video and leave a comment below of your favorite snow memory. To get to Sorrels Creek Falls, once we turned on to 180, we set our odometer, and at 0.9 miles, you're gonna see this culvert right here. And we actually wound up parking further up that way, but the trailhead is just maybe 100 feet east of the creek, and it's right between these two trees. Once you walk up to it, it's gonna be it's pretty easy to follow. I learned about this waterfall from a book called The Waterfalls of Georgia by Mark Osboyd. The walk-in was only about a quarter of a mile, but I could not believe how nice of a waterfall there was off of a beaten path. As nice as this was, I probably wouldn't plan an entire day for it, but it was a nice quick hitter. Although the trail was not very far, I would say the terrain was kind of difficult to navigate, so keep this in mind before coming. An average person in average shape should be fine though. Also wanted to just point it out that this road is a 55-mile-an-hour highway, so be very careful. As soon as we heard a car, we walked well off the edge and watched until the car passed and could return safely. Though this trek wound up ultimately being fruitless in terms of finding a waterfall, we still had a great time just driving down this forest road in the snow and just seeing all the beauty around us.
Drove to Cupid Falls in Youngstown, Georgia, and it's right off the road.
So we've been here plenty of times during the summer and different times when there's not snow on the ground. You usually can get to the bottom really easily. Today we're just not going down. We don't want to bust our butts on some slick and icy rocks. Five days later, we woke up to a balmy 22 degrees and headed to Lake Notley in Blairsville to participate in our church's fundraiser Polar Plunge. We noticed on the way that there's sections of the lake that were frozen over. Hey guys, what are we doing today?
Jumping into freezing cold water.
Oh yes.
25 degrees.
Yeah, our church is doing a fundraiser for their building, and so there's a couple hundred people out here. We're about to make the plunge, so we're excited.
7.
3, 2.
Owen!
We did it!
Hey, bud.
I'm gonna get some hot chocolate and go to the fire.
What did you think?
It's a numb-taking experience.
A numbing experience?
Yeah, is it cold?
I figured there's only one way to do it.
No, I
If you're
can't
gonna do
my
it,
whole
just
body.
do it.
I'm numb.
All right, so we did it. Tell me, guys, what did you think getting in that water?
Yeah, cold. Same with me, but I gotta add another thing. It's a numbing experience.
A numbing experience. Yeah, it took my breath away when I got out there in the water. It was
When
crazy.
it got up to my chest, it actually did take my breath away. Wait,
Yeah.
you can water.
Yeah, he did it. So, way to go, guys.
I didn't even get my face
All right, guys, let's review that footage. We did it!
I need a towel.
Wow. You saw the water, Micah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, that was a experience right there.
There was also a baby raccoon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's a picture. We have pictures and videos of it, and it was like injured, so people started giving it food and water.
Mm-hmm. So, all right. Well, that was awesome. Well, that was a fun afternoon. I'm glad we got to go out and do it. So tell me, y'all, what was your favorite parts?
My favorite part was Cupid Falls. It was so pretty. My favorite part was seeing Sorrels branch falls with all the icicles and everything.
My favorite part was definitely Sorrels Branch Falls. I thought it was really cool how that waterfall was just sitting right off of the road. Such a short hike, pretty easy to get to, but it's so easy to miss, and it was right there. It was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. The ruins at the top of it were pretty cool to me. I was reading up on it, and no one was exactly sure where they came from, but they're guesstimated to be around 100 years old. So remember, be present, be together, and find adventure in your own backyard.